Hi, I'm Donatella Arpaia, and I wanted to congratulate you on the purchase of your Philips air fryer and welcome you to the Philips family. I'm sure like me, you can't wait to get started. So let me help you to get set up and ready to go. It will be so easy. First, remove all the packaging materials, stickers, or labels, and be sure to thoroughly rinse all the parts, clean, and dry prior to assembly. Now you're going to open the drawer, remove your basket, and place the fat separator into the pan. This is your fat separator. Now you're going to insert this piece, the removable mesh bottom, into the slot on the bottom right. There'll be a tiny click. Push it onto the bottom and lock it into position on both sides. Then put this basket and drawer back into the air fryer. So the air fryer can prepare a large range of ingredients. All you have to do is consult the food table in the included booklet or go onto the Philips app for the right quantities and approximate cooking times. And once you start using this machine, you're going to get a hang of it really quickly. All you have to do now is press the on/off button switch on the appliance, which is right here. To change the preset, turn the quick control dial to the desired setting. Let me walk you through the presets. For example, fries and frozen snacks, chicken, meat, fish, baking, and manual. To confirm the selected preset, push the quick control dial again. Now cooking time will blink on the screen. To change the cooking time again, turn the quick control dial and push in to confirm. Once cooking time is confirmed, the air fryer will turn on and begin cooking. There's no preheating required. So some food requires shaking, like French fries, halfway through. To pause the cooking process, all you have to do is push the quick control dial, take out the basket, shake it up, put it back in, then push the quick control dial again to continue the cooking. So when your time is up, the air fryer will ding to let you know. Give the food a check. If the ingredients are not exactly ready the way you like, simply slide the drawer back into the air fryer and add a few extra minutes on. You know, it's so versatile, you can also change the time or temperature at any time during the cooking process. Press the temperature or timer button to change the cooking temperature or time. Then turn the quick control dial. To confirm the cooking temperature or time, push the quick control dial or the temperature timer button again. Remember that the fat removal technology means excess oil or rendered fats from the ingredients is collected at the bottom of the pan, below the fat separator, right over here. Depending on the type of ingredients you're cooking, you may want to carefully pour it out from the pan after each batch or before shaking or replacing the basket in the pan. Doing this will also help reduce smoke. Don't be afraid of the smoke. There's nothing wrong with the machine. It just means a lot of fat is escaping. You really are going to love this machine. It's so easy to use. Some of my favorite foods to cook are sweet potato fries, fish and pork as weeknight meals, so easy and delicious. I also love to bake cakes, and of course, I am famous for my meatballs, and I cook it with a lot less fat now. And the best part to all of this is it's a time saver and all the removable parts are dishwasher safe, so easy cleanup. What more can you ask for? Now make sure to register your air fryer by texting a photo of this camera icon so you can receive an extended warranty, new recipes from me, and special discounts, including one for 40% off any accessory kit. My favorite is the baking kit. There's so many things I can do with it. I never register for items, but I'm telling you, Philips make it easy and you're gonna be part of the Philips family and I'm gonna guide you the whole way. So what are you gonna make with your Philips air fryer? Everyone comes up with new ideas all the time, especially since it's so versatile. Show us on social media by tagging Philips air fryer and following me at Donatella Arpaia. I can't wait to see what you have in store. Cook with seasonal, fresh ingredients. Get in the kitchen with your family and your friends and have a great time. And welcome to the Philips family.